Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Chromebook and source machine meet basic prerequisites: updated OS, compatible hardware, and the same Wi-Fi. First, enable developer or experimental features only if the method requires them. Do this cautiously. Once done, install the chosen software on each device, desk, VNC, or a screencasting app so both ends can communicate. You do this now to avoid mid-process interruptions, because a mismatched app or firmware will block the connection later. Now you set up the actual link between machines. On the source device, launch the client or casting tool, then start the server on the Chromebook. This reverses typical roles but enables the Chromebook as an external monitor. When you see the Chromebook listed, authorize it, accept prompts, and enter a PIN if required. Once paired, select whether to mirror or extend, then tweak resolution and scaling for readable text. Make sure to pick a stable encoding or transport to reduce lag and frame drops. Finish by validating the display. Play a video and move windows to check refresh and latency. If input feels sluggish or video stutters, reduce resolution or bitrate. Switching to a wired USB-C or Ethernet connection will improve stability. Also make sure power settings won't sleep the Chromebook mid-session. If something goes wrong, reboot both devices, reinstall the apps, and confirm both are on the same subnet. That simple troubleshooting step resolves most issues. If not, inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.